Translation: I would consider it better for the sons of Dhritarashtra to kill me unarmed and unresisting, rather than fight with them. Sanjaya said, Arjuna, having thus spoken on the battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrows and sat down in the chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief.
Jadimam apratikaram asastram sastrapanaya. It is the custom between the Kshatriyas that in the fighting, if the other party hasn't got weapon to fight, this party will supply him weapon, not that the other party without weapon and this party will take opportunity to kill him. This is not the rules and regulation of fighting. There are many rules and regulations of the fight, not that because he is my enemy, I shall kill him anyway. No. There are rules and regulations. If the enemy has broken his chariot, he is fallen down on the ground, the other party also will immediately get down from the chariot. Suppose he is fleeing, then if one is on the foot and another on the chariot, so he will be in superior position. So therefore, the opposite party must also get down from the chariot and walk with him. That means the defeated enemy should be given all opportunities. So he may not think that unnecessarily in weak position he has been killed. No. The Arjuna says, Arjuna of course did later on. When he killed Karna, Karna was without weapon and he fell down from the chariot. Karna, after falling down from the chariot, and he was trying to raise the wheel of the chariot from the mud. So Krishna asked Arjuna that this is the opportunity to kill him. You kill him immediately. So at that time he had no weapons and he fell down from the chariot. And in that position he was killed by Arjuna by the order of Krishna. This is violating the laws. So you can violate the laws on the order of Krishna. You cannot do. This is surrender. When Krishna says that you do this, although it is wrong, you have to do it. There is no consideration. Just like in fight, the commander says to the soldiers, do this. His duty is to do that. He should not think at that time what is right or wrong. Just like Yudhishthira Maharaj, he was advised by Krishna that Maharaj Yudhishthira, you go to Dronacharya and inform him that your son is dead. It was a false information. Because Dronacharya will not die if he is not affected with some lamentation. So Krishna asked Maharaj Yudhishthira that you go because you are recognized truthful, Dharmaraj. So when you will say this is also false, he will believe. But Yudhishthira hesitated. How can I tell lie? He disobeyed the order of Krishna and he wanted to become very truthful. For this reason, he had to see hell. So, in the mundane consideration, there are so many things, right and wrong. So long you are on the mundane platform, you have to obey all this right and wrong. But in the spiritual platform, when it is ordered by Krishna, he is above all this duality, he is absolute. So, even if he says to do something wrong, because he cannot say anything which is wrong, God is all good. If you discriminate God's order from the mundane platform, then he will be misguided. Anyone who has got firm and fixed up faith that whatever God does, whatever God orders, even from mundane calculation it may be wrong, that is right. That is absolute understanding. Those who are in the spiritual platform, for them there is no such consideration which is right and which is wrong. Their only consideration is whether Krishna is pleased, that's all. If Krishna is pleased by inducing me to do something wrong, I will not hesitate to do it. I shall do it because it's Krishna's order. Tasmin tushte jagat tushta. My principle should be, if Krishna is satisfied, then everything is all right. But while we are in the mundane platform, we should not concoct the idea that Krishna is pleased, let me do that. No, that you cannot do. You have to follow the rules and regulations. But if you think that it is God, you cannot think, neither you can manufacture. So, either you should hear from Krishna directly, or that is not possible because we are not in touch with Krishna at the present moment. We are trying to see Krishna through the transparent medium of spiritual knowledge. So, we cannot manufacture that this is Krishna's desire. No. You have to get it confirmed from the transparent medium, spiritual world. These are the